Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Benidorm scooter suit on a rather cold day in Benidorm again today.
To the Spanish viewers, mucho frio.
It wasn't too bad when we set off, but it has gone really cold and windy now. I suppose there's a car coming. Typical, just because I want to cross. Nothing coming 1 minute and then everybody decides to come. So we're just up the side of the auditory
Cultural, something like that.
conservatory or something.
Yeah, conservatory auditorium, I think it's called.
There you go. And over the road we have the Hotel Castilla. It's not open at the moment. Let's see if we can cross now. Got the Easy Hire shop there, and then come up here. We come up past the Rio Park Hotel. Of course, one of Rio Park's problems is the wild cats. Trouble is, people feed them and that encourages them. And when we've stayed there before, they've been sat up on the roof there.
They've also got a match
Yep.
outside the hotel, so
Very inviting.
not to put anyone off staying there though.
Excuse me, I'm trying to do a video,
Sorry.
thank you. So we have got a scooter parking area there. And then over the road from the Rio Park on the Calais Kennedy, we have got the Moby Dick apartments. Nice apartments, looks of them. They have got their own cafe as well, their own bar, restaurant. I believe it's Belgium run. Correct me if I'm wrong though, guys. If you've stayed there, let me know what you thought. Drop a comment in the link below. Or if you're staying at the Rio Park at the moment, how are you getting on? Let me know what you think. I believe the Rio Park is under new management. I believe that the old manager has left. It's now got a female manager. I've been hearing a few things that she's not about very much, not very approachable. If you want to see her, you have to make an appointment. And also, I've heard that the top barman that used to work there, he's been there for many years, has left. Apparently he's left for a better paid job, which is a shame. But as I said, if you're staying there, let me know what you think in the comments below. So it is really cold now. So me and Benidorm Crazy Marcus are going to start heading back.
Anyway, in Benidorm do long jumps.
Yeah. Hoonies on e-scooters again. It seems that mobility scooters have to abide by the law and speed limits, but e-scooters don't. Maybe I should get an e-scooter, Marcus, and then we can go flying about.
You'll fall off it.
Get one with a seat.
Could do.
There you go, see? And then we can whiz around everywhere.
Stabilisers on it.
Yeah. So, looks like some of the bins haven't been cleared yet. Still a bit rubbish about from the new year, which is a shame. Tell you what, I don't know about you, Marcus, but I should be glad to get in the warm.
No.
I don't know who else do. Yeah.
Still make more poppers on.
Okay, Marcus, so across here, and it's freezing. Got a little church there. Iglesia Christiana Evangelica. Yeah, watch the wind with your eyes, Marcus. It is blowing a few bits about.
It does feel like a proper sort of winter's day.
Yeah, it is.
Despite there being clear sky.
I don't know about now though, it looks a bit cloudy now. That wind is biting now, it is cold, got to admit. I think that scooter's been dumped, Marcus, it's by the bin.
Probably not.
Some tennis courts here for these apartments. Nobody's out playing tennis though today. And we got the Power Centro restaurant there. Nice restaurant, does barbecue food. So I shall end this video here. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like, hit the share, hit subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.